The truth,
Yeah.
if and when I do watch TV, and if there were a channel that would attract me, boxing, boobs, and baking. My wife and daughter watch the baking shows. I'll come into the room and I'll sit and watch with them. I think they're great.
Great British Bake Off is amazing.
That's one of the shows they watch. My dad was a big boxing fan, and he would say, Peter, come sit with me. Let's watch the boxing match tonight. And I'd watch with him and get really into it. And I like that. I think these athletes, the fighters and the boxers and MMA fighters, I think they're incredible athletes. And that's inspirational to me, so I like that.
And you said you've done some martial arts as well, right?
I have.
So it's an interesting thing for you.
And boobs, well, does that need an explanation? I'm sorry to dumb it down like that, and I know I'm supposed to be like this responsible, respectable guy, but
It's good to be truthful.
I cannot deny it.
Yeah.
So I would watch that channel all day.
Yeah, that's fantastic. The Triple B.
Yeah, and hopefully, I'm not violating any. I have to check with my lawyer and see if I'm like.
We'll run this by them first.
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem.